Hello friends, welcome to TechAVS channel. Today I am going to review about this particular product. It is a mini storage cabinet. So let's unbox the package and see how it is. So as we see in the box, the model name is Mini Infinity. It is from a brand called Cello. So let me first take out all the parts from the package. The package is nicely done. As I can see, it's neatly covered and then they have done nice packing. So first let me start with the base panel. So this is the base panel and this is the back side, and this one has to come in the front and side. And the next one is side panel and the back panel. And the back panel we can find out a difference using the length. So the back panel has got a little bit more length, and this plain side has to come outside. So it has to come outside, and we have to ensure that we are doing it correctly. Suppose if you are fitting in wrongly, then we have to remove it and then refit in the correct way. So there are chances that it will break out the product. So just ensure that we are doing it correctly. And this one is the side panel. This side panel, again the plain side has to come outside, and this one will come inside. And there is a line in that side panel. This has to come over that back panel joint, and this plain side has to be in the front and side. So like this we have to fit in. In fact, the fitting and all is very easy. It's not that difficult. Just a gentle press only is required. So in the same way I am going to fit in the another side panel. So ensure that the plain side is coming in the front and side. So again a gentle press. And now I am going to fit in that base stand. So there is a joint. That joint we have to fit in like that. Then the front and side base stand we have to fit. This has to fit little bit outside, not like this. It has to come like this, little bit outside. The same way fit the other one. It's because the door will land over there, that's the reason. And the next one is the shelf. This you can fit like this or in the reverse way also. And it's better that you fit the shelf before fitting the top panel, so that it will be easy for fitting that shelf. For me, I am not going to use this shelf, so I'm just removing it. And now I'm going to fit that top panel. The top panel we can easily find out which is the front side, which is the back side, based on that brand symbol. Now I am going to fit the door. So this can be opened like this, or it can be opened in the other way, that is either left side or the right side. Either way you can open it. It is your wish how you want to fit in. And I am going to open in the right side, so like this. So I will fit like this only. And the next one is the door cover strap. Both the top and bottom they have given. And this one is the door connector for knob for pulling purpose. And since I am going to open from right side, this cover strip, this door connector cover strip has to be in the bottom side. It has to come in the bottom side only. So even it comes in the bottom side, it is not going to impact of opening the door. And I'm fitting the top cover strip as well. And the next one is fitting of hinges for the door rotation. So just fit the hinges in both the sides of the door and then just keep it over there, but not press at this moment. So just turn it out and then press it together, both the sides press it together. So as we see, the door opens up to 180-degree angle, and this one is just for the finishing purpose, and it's better that you fit these things before you fit the door. And the next one is the knob. So just press it there, then after that you press it odd from the top side. So the assembly is completed now and the product is ready to use. And I'm just checking out, is there any gaps on the sides, and I'm not finding any gaps, which is a good thing. There are no gaps found, which is a good thing. And the depth is around 35 centimeter, length 32 centimeter, height is 36 centimeter, which is inside storage capacity. And if you keep the shelf, then the height will be divided into half. And it comes in 3 colors, gray color and brown color, and then cream or beige color, which is the one I'm having. And it comes in 3 variants, starting with the door design only. So one is net type like this, and another one is the plain type, and another one is the modern type actually. So modern type is nothing but this cross kind of structural is not there, but a normal net design without the cross structure. And the material is made of ABS plastic, powder coated ABS plastic, and it is really strong actually, and in fact the base is also very thick and very strong. It can easily bear the load very easily. Even a small kid can sit on top of it actually. And it can be stacked. If you are having one more quantity, you can stack on top of it. And it is water resistant, stain resistant, and easy to clean and maintain. And it is available in both Amazon and Flipkart. I bought it for around 1950 rupees. It is a single rack storage, but it also comes in multi-rack storage type. You can, I think multi-rack storage, it's available more in Flipkart. So you can search and find out if you require, or else you can check out the links from the description which I have given for all the products. So thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. We'll see it in next video.